everyone, welcome back to Membership Monday. Thank you so much for watching and being involved in our videos. I know it's been a minute since you've seen me. We're finally filming another Membership Monday video. I am here with Chris. This is Chris Johnson from Rivertown Pro Wash. He is also a leadership coach, so if you have any needs when it comes to business, he's the one to talk to. Thank you so much for doing this with me today.
Thank you for letting me.
Of course. Yes, we're so excited to learn about you and what you do and what you can do for Conway. So first I wanted to ask you, what do you want to tell us about your business?
So we are Rivertown Pro Wash, and we did establish in 2006. We literally started bootstrapping, borrowed $500. I mean, couldn't find work anywhere. I mean, I was literally a dope head prior to 2005 for 8 years. And so I was almost unhireable. Yeah. And so in 2006, just went door to door, just beating the streets and doing what we could to drum up work. Right. And so from 2006 to now, the Lord's been so good to us. He's blessed us unbelievably. We're one of the largest exterior cleaning companies in the Horry County area. So we service Conway, Loris. We service Merle's Inlet all the way to Little River. We service the whole county. But Conway is where we're born and bred. We're a native. And so we love giving back to this community
right.
through things like this. So people will know who we are, what we do, and how we can serve them.
Now, other than that, I know you went into detail about Conway and why you love it here. What made you establish your business in this area? And what about Conway is special to you?
So Conway is literally where my roots are from. And one thing about Conway that I know is on my coaching side, I really have a heart to serve the local businesses of Conway. Now, our coaching, it expands through the entire nation. I have people in Dallas, Chattanooga, Tennessee, Florida. But I would love to have some Conway businesses that I could actually lean in and help, because as businesses, just to give you an idea, there's 33 million businesses in the United States of America on any given time. Right. 26 million of those are within a month of closing their doors due to either lack of sales, lack of motivation, lack of revenue, or lack of systems. Mm-hmm. And that's one reason why I want to do the video with you, is to bring that closer to home, and we can actually serve our local businesses here downtown, on the outskirts of Conway. Guys, we'd love to help you in any way we can with leadership coaching, sales training. Just let us know if we can help you in any way. I get a lot of deals on car washes because we're Rivertown Pro Wash. And so used to we had bubbles on the side of the car, on the truck, and people actually thought we were a car wash. We're not. So here's what we do at Rivertown Pro Wash. So we wash everything on the exterior of your home or your commercial property.
Even better.
Yeah.
That's even better than washing a car.
Yeah. So we wash everything from the roof all the way to the road.
Awesome.
And so roof treatments, if you've ever noticed roofs with the black streaks all over them that just come down vertically, that's destroying roofs. We clean those with a non-pressure treatment. We clean houses, we clean exterior windows, we clean any type of flat work, concrete, pavers, pool decks. So we clean everything. So
so you get it taken care of.
Yeah.
It sounds like
Top to bottom.
Oh yeah, their businesses, their homes, you've got it covered.
Got it covered.
Awesome. Thank you so much for doing this video with us.
Thank you for letting me, and I appreciate you listening to it, watching it, and give us a call if we can help you in any way.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you next week on our next Membership Monday. Bye.
See ya.